Binaon tayo sa hamon,
sa bawat pagkakataon. Sinusubok ng panahon.
sa mundong maingay, ikaw ang aking pahinga. Sa yakap mo kumakalma, lahat ay nagiging payapa. Lagi akong
Hello everyone! In behalf of my family, Mark, Joe, and Aggie, Gabe, and Amanda, and my grandchildren, Roman and Rhea, I just want to take this time to wish you have a very happy family reunion. I want to give all a big thank you to all the organizers. Mabuhay tayong lahat. Lain na nga po sa iyo, nga po ngayon. God bless us all. And Merry Christmas. I love you all.
We wish we could be there to celebrate with you. I hope everyone has a great time, and we miss you all.
Family is life.